Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Out of Box Tutorial. Today we are going to see that what is return statement, how it is used and when to use. So what is return statement and how it is used? It is generally used to return value from the function. Suppose there is a function and we have to return that value of the function. Whatever the answer of the function is, we have to return. In that case, return function is used. Suppose let's take a example to add two numbers. So what we will do, we have to add two number. So we have to first define the function. What we define? We have def. So def define is the keyword for that. And what we have to do, we have to add the function. So I will put here add add in bracket. Let consider two variable a and next variable as b, and don't forget to mention here colon. So after that, what we are usually doing that print a comma b. We are doing that print a plus b. But as we are doing here return statement, what we have to do, we have to return the value. So we have to write here keyword return, not print, when we have to return the value. And after that, add. As why I have mentioned here add, because I have defined add as a here specific keyword or variable. So here I have mentioned here add. Suppose here we subtract, so I will mention here subtract. So add, let's take a value. Suppose let's take value 10 comma 20. So what we will do, 10 will be assigned to a, 20 will be assigned to b, and after return function it will perform a plus b, that is 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. But in return statement, what we have to do, we have to mention here a variable. We want 10 plus 20. What is 10 plus 20? 10 plus 20 is 30. So we want value 30 to be written, that it should print next. So we have to take one single variable to mention full return function. So let's take variable as x. So x is equal to add. You can take any variable. So as we have mentioned here variable, now what we have to do, at last we have to print. So print, what is our variable? Our variable is x. So x, what it will do, it will return the value of the statement. Now what will happen is that it will return the value. So in any time of program, if we print this print x or any variable, it will return the value at that position. So let us run the program. So this is how you can see it has returned the value 30 here. So if there is two-line program, you can return the value anytime. So this is how return statement work. You can use this function for returning the statement value from the function. Every function has return statement which may or may not return a value. Thank you.
दोस्तों, अगर आप हमारे इस चैनल पर नए हो तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और बेल आइकन को दबाइए फ्यूचर नोटिफिकेशन रिसीव करने के लिए। थैंक यू।